y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and comment. Team Day.
Diamonds in the rough, we under pressure. You know what that mean? We gon' shine forever. From the bottom to the top, baby, we climb together. Long as I'm loving.
Wow, what's happening, Fire? So today, to motherfucking day. As y'all see by that thumbnail, as y'all see by that title, as y'all can tell, I'm by myself. So y'all know what that means. So let me go ahead and get through this intro real quick. Y'all, please make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on y'all post notifications so y'all will be notified when your favorite Empire posts a new motherfucking video. What y'all doing? Stop playing with us. I'm gonna make this quick because I know y'all want to know, why you doing an intro by yourself? Why you doing an intro in the car? Why are you doing an intro? Well, I'm gonna let y'all know that today is Valentine's and we're supposed to be doing a whole bunch of, but y'all, I want to throw in a prank somewhere. I want to throw in a prank to throw all of this off, and I think no other way to throw it is to do it this morning. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to act like my hand is caught. Y'all, excuse my face. I got a wax, so it look a little ashy, but that's hairs coming out of a bump. But anyway. So, like I said, what I'm going to be doing is acting like my hand is caught in the sink disposal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a bloody party. And we're just going to get her reaction. So y'all just please stay tuned for this. Y'all please be on the lookout for this because it's gonna happen. We're gonna probably throw this into a vlog and a prank because I don't want her to know I'm pranking her. So y'all just gonna see how this go. But anyways, without further ado, please y'all, without further ado, please y'all, spam that like button, spam that comment button, spam that subscribe button because we need the watch time. Y'all, we need the watch time. We ain't gonna say that, we ain't gonna stress that no more. We need the watch time. Oh my god, I'm crying. Or that's, you know what, I'm gonna just get off the camera right now because it don't look presentable. So y'all just gonna catch the prank when it comes to y'all. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. So I have the camera set up, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make this blood more liquidy, and I'm gonna make it like enough so where I can put it on my hand, and when I'm acting like my hand is getting blended, I'm gonna pour the blood on my hand. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so she chose breakfast in bed. If y'all missed that, y'all should go watch our TikTok. Go tune in. But she picked breakfast in bed, so we're gonna make her some breakfast in bed. Hey, how many pan sauce did you want? A lot. I don't know why this sink smell like this. Put some of them, I'm about to put some of the lemon things in the, huh? Oh. How many cinnamon rolls you want?
Like 2 to 3.
Okay. I'm just starting to cook.
You said you want to go get green first.
I was taking the stuff out. You don't want me to take the stuff out and have it positioned? I mean, I was trying to clean up the sink and shit. I don't know what is this in this damn sink. If I try to put my hand in there and see, but yeah. My hand, babe, my hand. Oh my God, I did it wrong, I think.
Why the fuck did you do that shit? Valentine's is canceled. Valentine's canceled, man. Why is you playing?
I think I did it wrong.
I ain't gonna lie, I panicked. I ain't no ready to pull your damn hand out first though. Turn off the damn drain. I'm glad you find that shit funny. Why you do that?
Team what in the comments? Why you ran here so much?
Bro, because I thought your hand was really stuck, fam. Why you do that? Your Valentine's Day is over.
No.
You play too damn much. Put some clothes on and come on. Shit.
Alright, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment Team Day in the comments because I think that was a banger, even though I kind of... I should have took my hand out, but the damn water was rinsing on my hand and taking off of my blood. Like, I'm bleeding to death. I'm bleeding to death. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and comment Team Day. What is it, babe? Even do say outside crying. What's Team what?
No V-Day.
No, Team what?
V-Day.
Team Day. Bye, y'all. See y'all next video. We are out. Peace.
So,
You thought it was stuck in the thing?
yeah. That's why I ran out of there like that, girl. You know I'm asthmatic. You can't be playing like that.
You what?
You know I'm asthmatic. You can't be playing like that. My asthma go to acting up.
Day and tea, baby, it's our world. Together we going higher, we building our own empire. From the bottom